Welcome back. This question asks us to use triangle congruence to find the value of x and y. It is given to us triangle ABC. I'm going to write their name and put them in order. Is congruent to triangle DEF. The reason we write like this is we immediately know A and D, they will be having the same angle measure. And let's look at B and E. B and E gonna have the same angle measure. And C and F gonna have the same angle measure. We're gonna write it down. So measure of angle A equals measure of angle D. Let's check, see if there's anything we can use. That's right, it's right here. Angle A is 87 and D is 5x plus 2. Pause this video, see if you can go ahead and solve for the value for x. We're gonna minus 2 each side, then divide by 5 each side. So x is 17. Alright, once we find x is 17, why don't we go ahead and find the measure of angle F? Because if we find that, we will know C. And C is what? C is 3y. Angle F, measure of angle F, is 180 degrees minus 42. Minus this angle, we just found out x is 17. So we plug in here, we say 5 times 17 plus 2. This is this angle measure, right? So minus 5 times 17 plus 2. Go ahead and calculate, see what you have for angle F. I have angle F is 51. Okay? Now I come back here to say angle C and angle F has the same angle measure. That means 3y is 51 degrees. Divided by 3, y is 17. So x is 17, y is also 17. That's a coincidence. Okay, happy learning.